Alright, we literally just stopped at the Pilot. I'm going to show you guys how to fuel up your truck, not like an imbecile.
Chicken business because these are guys.
First part is get your Flying J Pilot app ready. Get your code. Oh. And get your gloves. Hello. Alright, you put the code in, 89. Don't forget your code. And you gotta walk back to your... Well, the code's on my phone, so... But it's pretty simple. It's all about the preparation. Boom. Boom. Boom, we stick that in there. Get this thing going. You always wait 3 or 4 seconds because sometimes it wants to spit back. We know that one's going, so we're gonna go to the other one. We get this one. We go there. Okay, the hard part's done. The hard part's done. Once we're here, we'll go ahead and take a look at our trailer. We'll walk around, look at the equipment real quick. It's all downhill, I think I mentioned that. So we gotta wait for those tanks to fuel up. Doop, 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 doop. Check our equipment. There we go. We're at under 2 minutes. Okay, hit that there, hit that there. Okay, tires look to be good. 10 PSI. We're at 60 gallons already. So it's pretty simple. I don't know how people mess it up, but you will see a lot of people mess up this routine, I guess. I don't know. Something about it's got to be complicated. I don't know which part gets complicating. Maybe it's it must be the getting out of the truck, and it's got to be somewhere in between the getting out of the truck and putting the nozzle in the tank. Where it really catches people, because there'll be people here for ridiculous amounts of time, where it really gets ridiculous. So I don't know which part. It's got to be in between the getting out the truck and getting the nozzle to the tank. That's going to be it's a big issue for some people. I don't know why or how, but we're at the Pilot at 116 gallons. 3 minutes, and we're almost, I'm ready to crank her back up and hot tail to the interstate. Get me looking like a bum. Oh well, anyways, I got stuff to do. It's already taking too long. I hate when, man, it's already taking too long for me. For other people, I don't know. They like the, whatever it is, I don't know. But 150 gallons, that'll last us a good while, at least till tomorrow, almost to the next day. So, do this once a day, literally. We're gonna cut this off for under 5 minutes. So, I got a little bit of time. I'm going to be back in that truck with it fired up within 5 minutes. Put that down. Put that down. And that's it. We're done. 4:47, we're ready to go. That's how you fuel up. I don't know what the issue is with everybody, so I figured I'd make a tutorial.